gonna install the knobby things on the kitchen cabinets. I guess I'll just do it then. Hey everybody! Today we're going to install some hardware on my kitchen cabinets. All you're going to need is your drill, a drill bit, a couple of templates, and a pencil. These templates will cost you about 10 bucks at your hardware store, and they're pretty much vital to getting this job done perfectly. As you can see, they give you a bunch of options, so the hardest part really of this project is actually just determining where you want your hardware to be placed. The template did come with a drill bit, but to make things a little bit easier, I went and purchased a really nice drill bit that has a little bit more of a protruding tip. If you're going to use the drill bit that came with your template, I would recommend using an awl before you start drilling into the cabinet, because by doing so, your bit won't walk on you when you're drilling your actual hole. The template with the two corners is going to be for your cupboards like this, and the one that looks like this is for your drawers. So what you're going to want to do is place this template right up against both edges like that. Mark about 4 holes or so that you think might be where you would like your hardware to go. And of course, have your hardware picked out before you do this, because all hardware is shaped a little bit differently. But I'm thinking probably those 3 holes, somewhere along there would be the best ones. This is what hardware we have selected. And then you kind of just, hold it up to where it would be at if you drilled those holes. Right there. That's what we're gonna go with. So like I said, if you're going to use the drill bit that came with your template, grab yourself an awl or a scribe, something with a nice point on it. Go to the hole that you've picked, right in the middle of it, and make a little indentation in the wood. And that'll help your drill bit not walk on you while you're drilling your hole. Do yourself a favor and put a rag in the cupboard to help make cleanup easier. Did I forget to mention you need a screwdriver too? So it has been months since I installed the knobs on the upper cabinets, and my wife and I have not decided what pulls we would like to place on the drawers behind me. We struggle with these life-altering decisions, and I'm just gonna wrap this video up, because who knows, right, when we're gonna make this decision. In all fairness, the drawers are a little bit more complicated than the upper cabinets, because there's a lot of different sizes. So for instance, this was the style we were thinking about going with. And because the drawers vary in size, some are a lot narrower than others, there's options. Once we have made that decision, I'll make a follow-up video about how to install that hardware, so stay tuned. For now, I've thought of a way I can get this drawer open so I can get my spoon and finally eat that bowl of cereal. December, so if Valentine's Day rolls around and you have not seen my follow-up video right up here, send help. Probably stuck in hardware selecting purgatory.
Dad, what are these sticky cups doing here?